Last topic what I told you how to do the vendor invoice. Correct? No, sorry, customer invoice. Is my screen visible, guys?
Yes.
Okay, fine. That's nice. Okay, so see, we are completed with the last session. That is basically I told you how to go and post the invoice in FB70 customer invoice. I told you how to go and post the FB70 customer invoice. Then I told you how to display that bill. Okay, in where in FBL 5N and how to go and clear that incoming payment under the F28. So this is the configuration I told you. In this I told you how to do the standard half payment. Okay, in this I told you how to do the partial payment. In this I also told you how to do the residual payment. Right? Then after that I told you how to do the parking, holding and reversal also. Okay, so until here we are done with our last configuration. Okay, so today what we'll do, today we shall start with the same vendor invoice. See what customer you have done, same thing you need to follow for vendor now. You need to go and book the vendor invoice in FB60. You need to display the bill, you should clear the payment. Okay, you need to go for FB60 and you need to go and book the vendor invoice. Same. See, if you guys didn't understood the customer part, then you can understand here the vendor part now. Okay, so vendor invoice I haven't told you this one, right? So same to same. See, there what we do, we sell the goods, here we purchase it, and we make payment to the vendor. So what I'll do here now, first I'll go for FB60 and I'll go and do the invoice. I'll generate one invoice now under FB60. Okay, so let us go to SAP. Let us do it in SAP system. So where you got to go to do that configuration, I'll go to the server. Then we need to go for same. It comes under here accounting, financial accounting, and it comes under here accounts payable. It comes under accounts payable, and it comes under here document entry, and we have here FB60 invoice. So FB60 invoice is where we go and post our invoice. Okay, so go for FB60 invoice here. So once you go for FB60, once you enter FB60 here, you get like this screen. Same, change the company code. What is my company code? It is T66. So T66. Then same. Instead of selecting the customer, here we select the vendor. I take first vendor. Then your date. What date you are posting the entry? I take today's date. Amount I'll put. How much amount I'm posting entry? For suppose I'll take 50,000. Calculate tax amount to do here. Here I'll put being goods purchased from the vendor. Okay, you can put here being goods purchased from vendor. You can put. Otherwise, what you can put? You can put here being goods purchase from the vendor, but third party. Both are same. Anything. And here comes 301 purchase account amount as a star, and here comes the tax code. What tax code should I use here now for my company code TA66? What is input tax code? 60 is the output. I think T6 is the input. Okay, I have taken T6, then text as a plus. As a plus, stimulate, and this is the entry. This is the entry. Now what to do? Click on save. So I'm going to show you document 301 was posted in company code TA66. Then I want to go and check this invoice. Where I go and check it, FBL1N, same. If you want a path for that, path comes under here account FBL1N. So path comes under FBL1N here, go to FBL1N, then give the company code and select here the vendor. Which vendor are you displaying it? I'm displaying it for first vendor. So I select first vendor. Then after that, select all item. I want to check everything. So execute. See 50,000, 30 is the document number. Now this invoice payment I want to clear fully. So where I'll go F53. Here what comes? Outgoing payment will come here. Outgoing. Okay. So what I'll do here now? I'll keep the screen like this. I'll open it as a screen. And I'll go for your accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry here. Outgoing payment F53 post. See here. Okay, this F53 post is a real weekly payment. Go to F53 post, then give the date on what date you are doing it, and here you put the text as a cash payment to vendor. One is the cash payment. How much amount it is? 50,000. 50,000 same I'll take. And I'll put your same cash payment to vendor. Same. Okay, then after that, you got to select here the vendor. Which vendor are you clearing the payment? Select enter. See, first vendor is there. I'll take first vendor. Then after that, what you do? Select document number and press open it. Okay. So once your document number, once you click on press open, the system will ask for document number. What is document number? 301. So give 301 here. And click on press open it. So once you click on process open item over here now, system gonna tell you see 50-50 balance is 0. Same to same what I showed you for customer, same for vendor. Same then. After that, save it. So once you save it, system gonna tell you document 401 company gonna go and check there. Balance will be 0. Green same. Now go and check the entry. What exactly the entry happened here? See, 50 is the cash account credited to the vendor 25. What is 25 posting key means? Vendor debit outgoings. Vendor debited and cash got credited to the vendor accounts. So this is called basically full payment what I have done. Full payment means full invoice and display and full clear. Same to same like this we can also do the standard half payment. What is standard half payment? The difference amount what we get that you put it here. Okay, so what I'll do to do this, to do and show you this vendor part, first I need to book one invoice. Correct? FB60 directly /n FB60. So I'll go for FB60 and select the vendor. I'll book the invoice of 80,000. Okay, purchase third party 301 star tax code text as a plus. Now click on stimulate and post. Done. Now go and refresh and check here. Refresh and check, you will see total 80,000 is there balance. Okay, so this 80,000 balance what is there here now? I want to clear some amount in this. Suppose I want to clear around 40,000 something I want to clear in this. How I want to clear? I want to clear with the standard half payment. So what I'll do for that? I'll type here and go here /n F-53 same. What about the same? F-53 go here and give the date and put here cash payment to vendor, cash payment to vendor. One, how much amount is that? 80,000. So I'll take here in 80, I'll clear 40. Let us take 40. Same cash vendor and select here the account. Account means same vendor. First vendor. Document number, process open item. Document number is 302. Give 302 and process again. See. So now what we do in 80, 40 is the balance, what is showing you here, double click here. You should double click on this difference posting now. So what you do, double click on this difference posting and post. So once you post it, see it will ask you like this. Double click again here, cash payment to vendor, same. Check now, refresh and check, you'll see 40,000 balance pending. 80, 40,000 balance pending. You can go and check it here. What exactly happened here? See, 80 out of 40 is cash credited. 36 is the posting key, remaining balance 36. What is 36? Vendor credit payment difference. This is the payment difference of vendor. Okay, so this is how we do this one. Now 40, what I'll do? I'll clear the 40 full and balance is a 0. Make it balance as a nil. Nil means I'll make balance as a 0. So what is the document number here? 402. 402 give here. Again process. So balance is 0 now. Now click on save. See posted. Now go and refresh and check here. You will see cleared, all clear. So this is how we do standard half payment in SAP. Same to same, we can also do the partial payment. Basically means part payment like installment when we pay 2020. So what I'll do here now, I'll go to the payment, I'll go to FB 60. First I'll book one invoice. To show you that one, I need to book one invoice, right? First I'll book one invoice first. Purchases 30 purchase amount star. Text as a plus. Now click on stimulate and post. Done. So it has been posted. Now go and check it. Go here. You can see here now. How much? 90,000 is there. So this 90, I want to clear now partially 20, 20, 20 and 10. So what I'll do, I'll go to same, you have dash 50 date and put here like this. Payment to vendor, cash payment to vendor. Then what I'll do, I'm going to go and select here one as a cash. I will reflect 20 first. And put here same like this, cash payment. Here select same vendor, document number, process open item. So what is the document number? 303 process again. Now what to do? Go to partial payment here and double click here. See. Now save it. Now go and check that the balance will be how much? 70, 90 and see the difference between the customer and vendor. Okay, whatever the things you are doing here, it is a minus, here it is a plus. In customer whatever was the invoice balance was under the plus, but in vendor it is a minus invoice balance, and whatever payment you are doing, it is a plus here. That means you are clearing the payments of the vendor. This is the first installment. Again I'll pay. Again 20. Again 20 I'll pay. Document number is 303. Again go to partial, double click over here. Again save it. Can you see? Same process. Now go refresh and check here. Again same. List and refresh. See again 20. 50 is the total balance. Again you can go and clear. Post. Now what will be the balance again? Same, you can see the balance will be again 30,000 is the remaining balance. Now again I'll go and make again 20,000. Document number, first open item 303, first open item, go to partial payment, double click here, post it. Now refresh and check it. You will be able to see 10 is the remaining balance. Okay, 10 is the remaining balance, right? So remaining 10,000, what I'll do, I'll clear it to remaining 10,000 and I'll make balance as a nil, as a 0. Okay, so what I'll do here now. Now we want this all this item should come under clearing at a one go. What I'll do, I'll give 10,000 here. Directly I'll click on process without selecting any document number. Okay, without selecting any kind of a document number, directly you can click on process. Okay, all the whatever the balances are there, they will come under the clearing in one go. In one go it will be done. 98 of 20, 20, 20, 20 and last 10. Now save it. Now go and check. See, 90 minus 20, 20, 20, 20, 10. Correct? This is the first installment you can put here. And this is the second. And this is the third. This is the fourth. And this is the final. Final. Now refresh and check. See. 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth one is the final installment. So this is how we generate the partial payment one by one we clear in the business. Okay, so this is how we got to clear one by one. So this is how it's done. Now After the partial comes to end, the same to same we do for residual. What is basically residual payment? Residual payment is same like partial only, just like, okay, like sorry, just like standard, sorry. Okay, standard payment and residual payment both are in same in a term. In a one term, both are same only. So residual payment means what? Residual payment means lump sum amount at one time you're paying to the vendor. You are paying to the vendor at one time. And how much you're paying, that much clearing should be done. Correct? So what I'll do now, I'll book one invoice because I don't have any invoice. First I'll go and book the invoice first. How much shall I book? I'll book an invoice of 70,000. I put here being goods so to third party, third party reasons amount start tax part as a plus stimulate and save. Now you can go and check here, list and refresh. 70,000 save. Okay, now in this 70 I want to clear residually 35,000. I want to clear residually. I want to clear. So how do I do that one? For that I'll go here, I take back, I'll go for again here 53 post here, payment to vendor is cash. How much I want to residually? 35,000 I want to pay. Okay, in 70 I want to pay 35 residually. Here paid, okay, paid here, paid residually. Same. Which is the vendor, first vendor. Paid residually lump sum we can put. Can copy it here, can go and paste it here. Now document number, process open item, document number is 304. Give it here and again click on process. Done. Now you can go to the residual item. Go here and double click here. See, 35 is the remaining balance. 35 clearing, 35 is the clearing. Remaining balance is 35 is the remaining balance. Now click on post. Same. See, same to same. See, there is no difference between that what you transactions you do. The only difference is that here the amount is going, there the amount is coming. Again is the invoices. Paid, residual lump sum, saved. Now go and check here. Ready? This is the remaining balance you can put. This is the remaining balance which is there here. Refresh and check here. See. And what amount you paid, that is totally gone over here. Full clearing 70. See, 700 of 35 is the remaining balance. And you can also check posting keys here. These posting keys are very important to check. 36 means vendor credit payment difference. So this is how it works. Now 35 is there here. Now in this 35 I want to clear again half amount. So this 35 I want to clear again 15,000 I want to clear. Okay, so what I'll do again, I'll give 15. Residual lump sum. This vendor document number plus open item. Document number is 409. I click on process. Now go to residual, double click. See 20,000 is the remaining balance it is showing. Now again double click, paid residual lump sum, save. Ready? 20. Now I'll clear the 20. I'll make balance 0 now. This is called final amount settlement. Directly document number process 410 directly process done. If the amount is full, can clear it from the standard only. No need to go for partial residual. Okay, if the amount is full, you can directly clear that particular amount from the standard only. Now directly post it. Now once you post it, it will show you 411 has been posted. Now go and check. Refresh and check. See 20. Okay, so this is how we do standard, partial, and residual. Yes, guys, everyone is getting it. Why everyone is quiet? I'm audible. Ashish, Hausa, Nisha, Sama got it. Everything.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Getting no? Please respond back and ask some doubts. Sorry, getting this everything three of thing. Any doubt you have anything with this three? No, right? So understood, right? If you hang it out, kindly ask. Don't be quiet and just keep listening. Okay. Ask some doubt you have and what I can do. I can try to solve them because and also it is same only. Already which I told in the customer no. It is
Yes.
same to. Only thing is the amount will differ and some transaction code will differ. Customer is FB70, vendor is FB60. Customer is FBL 5 and vendor is FBL 1. And the customer is F-28, vendor is F-53. And the standard, partial, residual, these all things are all same. Now, let us go with now parking, holding and reversal. As usual, same. We can also park the invoice in the vendor also, just like we do it for the customer. So how do we park the invoice now? To parking where I should go? To park I'll go for here. You can do it from here. Either way you can do it from directly from here. Parking can be done from here or here, both are same. So I'll do for parking from here. Here I'll park, here I'll repost and show you. I'll go here. How much amount shall I park? I'll pass any amount here. 45,000 I'll park. Fine. Anything you can take, doesn't matter also. So I'll take everything here and I'll park. So once I click on park here now, system will park the documents. So let me show you. Document 305 was TA66 was parked here. This park entry I want to see. I'll go here. I'll take it back and I will take this parked item and I'll execute. See 45,000 document number 305. 45,000 document number 305 has been parked. Now this parked entry I want to check and I want to repost. Suppose I want to make it first party instead of third party. So what can I do for this? To do this I need to go here, take it back. I need to go to repost that document parking. I'll go here. See. To repost this, where it is one. Okay, once again. Here it is. Slash or item park document. Okay, this one. I want to repost this one. I want to make it first party. So I'll go to here. FV60. Okay, you can go to FV60. Can go here. Okay, what to do? Go to FV60. Double click on FV60. Then go to Treon and open this parked document. Double click on this and you can tree off. Now you can see you can edit whatever you want. You can edit. For example, I want to edit amount. It should be around 80,000. Star shopping. And third party is there. No, it should be first party. To make few changes. Now what I'll do? I will repost it. Now refresh and check. Now once you refresh, now this yellow will turn into the red, and what it is showing you 45,000 here, it will show you 80,000. 80 first party. See, it was a third party, and it has become red. That means it's open. It's open. That means it has got open means like it has been reposted as a parked. Okay, so this is called parking and reposting. Same to same as usual. I told you holding. Why we do? Holding document can be deleted, can be parked or anything. So holding where I'll do it from here only. 60,000 I'll hold 60,000. Then what I'll do here now? I'll click on holding. So once I click on hold here now, what will happen here now? System will held a document. It will ask me temporary document number. That is important to give. Give any number and click on holding. So once you click on hold here now, this will get held. System will tell you document has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 9 has been held. The health document I want to check, so I'll tree on it here and I'll open it here. I'll double click here. Again, I'll tree off. So see. Now you can re-edit. You want anything you want, you can re-edit and you can delete it also. Edit and delete also you can do. You can park it also. You can directly post it. Whatever you want, you can do here. So what I will do now, I'll directly go and stimulate and I'll post it. See. Park document can be done anything. See, repost. Now go and check it. Here, list and refresh. See, it is shown. 80, 60, 80. See. Same to same. Holding can be done anything. Then comes reversal. Okay, what is exactly reversal? Why we reverse the entry? Entry we reverse if we don't want to, if you have posted wrong and you don't want to, you cannot delete also that. Okay, that time what we do, we reverse the entry. So reversal, how we do? To reverse the entry, you need to first find out which you want to reverse. I want to reverse this one. I want to reverse this 306. I want to reverse this one. So what I'll do to reverse it? I'll go here and I'll go here. To reverse it, document reverse FB08 individual reversal. You should go here. You got to go for FB08 individual reversal to reverse the entry. Go here and give the document number which you want to reverse. I want to reverse this one 306. So I'll go and put here 306 document number. And it is asking me the reversal reason. For what reason you want to reverse? See, there are two things are there here. Current period, close period. Okay, I told you reversal in current period means on what date the entry was posted that did it get reverse. Okay, you know reversing current period का मतलब होता है जिस डेट पे एंट्री हुआ था उस डेट पे रिवर्स होता है. Okay, so that is the reversal current period. Close period means what? Basically, close period means you can give your date and you can close it. That is close period. That is called close period. Usually we use a current period. Many companies use current period, so I'll take current period and display before reversal. Check the entry. See, this is the entry. Here purchase is debited and input tax is debited both. Correct. So both are debited here. Now what I'll do? I will take it back.
Actual reversal reason.
Actual reversal. Actual reversal in current period. Basically, see, these two are used for the controlling model. Okay, in a controlling model we have plan, actual version we have. Okay, so that time I'll tell you these things. So as of now we use this two because this belongs to controlling model. Okay, there we have one actual planned this thing. When this we use when we do any entry with the cost centers. For normally invoices we use this thing, this two. I'll tell you this in future. We'll do it on now this one. Okay, so now what you do? Hit current and display before reversal. See, this is the entry. Now click on post it reverse. 10. 10 is reverse. Now go and check it here. List and a refresh. So once you refresh, see it went here. See 10 10. Document number 10 has come and document type AB has come. Okay, AB why? Because this is the reverse document type of this. The reverse document type of KR is a AB and 10,000 is showing. Okay, so this is how we do the vendor part. Same to same how we done customer. Okay, you gotta post the invoice, book the invoice, clear the payment. This is complete cycle.
Take multiple invoice in a single screen in FP60.
Multiple invoices, huh? FP60. Can you repeat your question, Ashish?
We only like use single line item, like in this we use purchase account.
Yes. Yeah. You can use multiple. See, in SAP, what we do, we tell here, you can use from one. Okay, you can use here from 1 to 9999 up to items. Okay, from 1 to you can use up to 999 and you can use this much items you can use. One is mandatory. Okay, one or 2 is mandatory. In GL, in a GL, in AR and in AP, 1 and 999, but in GL, if you post GL to GL entry, okay, GL to GL entry, 2 is the minimum, 2 and then 999. All right.
What did it mean that GL to GL?
GL to GL we are done already. FB50. You don't remember this? This one debit 1, credit 1. Ready? Here in GL to GL entry, two are important here. Items, line item.
Okay.
We get a 2 line item and up to 9999. 2 line item up to
One which is credited and one account which is debited.
one is debited. Exactly.
So in this one we can only two entries, and otherwise we for that one we can use multiple and entries.
That's what I'm telling you. No, as sometimes what will happen, 3, 4, 5 debit will come, only one credit will come. Right now, so that might also happen. Now debit, see, rent account paid, rent has paid, salary paid, office expenses paid, everything paid. Three accounts are paid. Cash will be credited one. It will come like this.
Okay.
So that might also will happen. That like that you can see.
Like when we are paying to like customer, or we are purchasing or sale, in that case, if we are using so we have to take a single like vendor only. Now we can only take a
Single
single
vendor,
vendor.
yeah. And single vendor option will come. It is in like see you cannot collect multiple vendor also here for booking invoices. Correct. Invoice booking can be done for single vendor only.
Okay.
So that you cannot do it for multiple also. Single vendor only you can do it.
Okay.
Okay. They actually what they do know, each and every day they don't go and do the invoices. They will they will keep the recording. There is an option called here script recording and playback. It is there here. Okay. This what is this? It is there no here. Script recording and playback. What is there no? Once you want to post a same entry every day every day you are posting a same entry. So what you do? They just go here and they click here. Everything automatic. Everything will come automatic and automatic entry get posted automatically.
Like, can you give me an example that for a vendor we can use different GL accounts, like
No,
means
that cannot be used. No, that cannot be used.
GL
That is
account
wrong.
is the same, and credit and deb. Then what is the example, like single GL and they are taking a different amount, so they can use a single account amount only.
Single account, correct? No, why? Because the amount you're putting invoice amount is there here.
Yeah,
Correct?
yeah.
You're not putting single. See, that's what I showed you. See, this is the invoice what I posted. Correct? This is the invoice what I posted in FB60. So what happened here? See, this is the total purchases that debited here. Heading and input tax and this two came from the header. In SAP, whenever we post an entry, we do in one line item, another in header. Okay, in a GL to GL entry, one is debit, one is credit is required. But in invoice it is not required. Right? No. How can you do in invoice one debit and credit? Of course, it is a bill. In a bill, what we do directly, this will it will become like this. Okay, purchase account will be debited, input tax and vendor account will come, which are booking the invoice.
Okay.
What your question is like invalid in accounting rules. Okay, so that is actually you're not part of accounting. That's the reason I'm telling you. So basically, it is not a rule. Like in invoices, you are making a two sales entry at one time. You take total amount and make one sales entry. That is why. So that is how. That is yes. Got it now? So now what happened here now? This is the invoice I have reversed and put and everything is completed. See. Okay. Now until here you gotta practice it in your SAP system. Everything. Huh? So you gotta practice until here everything in SAP system. Then what I'll do? I will take you guys tomorrow. I will tell you foreign currency valuation IT. And see tomorrow, if I complete foreign currency evaluation, I'll be dropping you an email of 50% course completion. Because already we started, when it started on 17, 17 something we start. 16 is 17 started, correct now? 16 or 17. I think it is on 16th. So almost it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 days only exactly. So I'll be dropping an email of 50% course completion. You need to reply to that. Not today, tomorrow I'll drop. I'll drop tomorrow to your email ID. You just got to acknowledge it. If you acknowledge it, after finishing this one I'll drop. Don't worry. After finishing this, then you can continue again few topics from here. Yes, clear? Any doubts? Anything, any kind of doubts, guys, you have? Anything else?
So that much of like course that we are covering is enough.
Actually, if I tell you no, what is the problem? Especially in SAP, SAP is actually very big. Lots of things are there to study. Now, how much I'm telling you, this is much more than enough for you to work in a consultant role. If I tell you, if you want to work in a consultant role opportunity in SAP, then that much is more than enough. If I tell you, still it is there. Still many are there. Okay, because see,
Okay.
what I do, I drop a email a little bit sooner. Okay, why? Because this institution, what is there? No, they make a payment very late. If I drop it today, they will make it on approximately on next Monday, like that. Got it, no? So what will happen? No, it will be in a safe hand. You will be, I'll be in my safe hands. Correct. Even though they don't make my payment immediately. That is the only problem with the company now. We told them about that. And also any batch, whatever this that they give me, after this much I complete, after the foreign currency I complete, after this only I drop an email to everyone. Okay, then you have so many topics still. Still we have lots of topics I'll tell you that you can cover one by one by one. And I
I'm
think
just yeah, just
yeah,
trying to ask, uh, is it more enough that we can crack any interview if we
yes,
are?
of course. Yes. This much if you learn, it is more than enough. But I would suggest you to learn more what I teach. Like how much I train you, this much if you're very perfect in that, then you can crack 100%. I can tell you. Already the students I have trained, they are working in Accenture, Wipro, and Capgemini, and Walmart, and they are working in very big companies. IT top 100 Fortune companies they are working. Okay, Ramco systems and all they are working. It is enough, and they already told me this much is more than enough. Because why? See, as I'm working profession, I can tell you that whatever the syllabus is important, what are things are not important. Okay, and this syllabus what I have prepared, no, it is globally accepted syllabus. Globally, not only within India. I'm telling you, whatever syllabus I have made, it is globally accepted. But only thing is, your skill you need to have problem solving skill. And see, for example, you get any error here while doing the entry. When doing the entry, you get any error here, you should know how to solve that error. That is called ticketing tool. Okay, I already told in the starting only in the project class. I hope you guys remember. In a support project, ticketing tool is a must and should be required for each and every person. If you don't know how to solve the tickets, then it is very hard for you to get a job. And especially in SAP, you need lots of SAP, lots of practice is required, years of practice is required. And still, it is very quick, but
Yeah,
if you
that
do,
is correct. That we receive a ticket for any user. So basically, I'm trying that that the end user, okay, it is perfect. Like also now the company requirement that they want a like a consultant like and one full implement project will be done by his side. So what is
mm,
that?
actually implementation project means what? Basically, I told in the starting only. That is basically they are asking you, have you worked on any real-time project and like any company implementation are involved or no in SAP? They're asking you that one. Like in any project,
So
have you
after
are you involved
completing
in?
this course, can we tell a company that yes, we are
No,
that in a position that we can implement
no,
any
no,
FICO related
you
things
cannot.
in the system?
I tell you, see, you cannot tell them that you have done implementation of any real-time company. You can tell them that I have taken a training of SAP implementation project. Training. You just completed the training. You have not done any project.
Oh, that
Correct?
is,
So,
yeah, that is correct. That
uh,
we haven't done any real-time business implementation in the project in this training. That is perfect, fine. But we can like tell them like we have done the configuration part also.
configurations, you know. I know the configurations, everything can tell. You know, you can put in a resume like how to go define the company's fiscal year of the any company, how to maintain the chart of accounts and configure the chart of accounts, and how to proceed the customer and vendor groups, how to create them, how to assign the numbers. You can mention this whole resume can also apply, that doesn't matter.
Okay.
And that is how it will work out. In SAP, career is long-term career, and I'll tell you this is all things at last. Don't worry. If I tell you now, no, it is not worth. If I tell you now, in the end, I will tell you what to do, what not to do.
Okay. And so one more question that if we are applying for a certification of any that you have uh, completed a standard SAP FICO
Global,
from yeah
global
global
certification.
certification, and then for that what we have to be qualified for full certification.
No, that is anytime you can write down that certification, but you need to have a strong knowledge on SAP to crack that one. You should know each and every question, whatever questions they ask, what type of questions they will ask, and they will ask very tricky questions. It is not that easy. You need some more years of practice, I can tell you, to crack that one. Hmm. And if you try immediately, then I'm not sure you can do, but need more time. Take a time and do that. Don't immediately do that.
That
Hmm.
is
Because it's
yeah.
because what happens, you need to pay them 18,000. Correct? That to buy that one, you need to pay them 18,000 rupees. You gotta pay them. Okay, and if you don't clear it, no, then all your 80,000 will be gone.
And sir, did you crack this in first attempt, right?
Yes, I have cleared it in only first attempt only. After the first
So,
attempt only, I cleared it.
so what is the level? Like exam is like more
I
tricky.
can tell you, I can tell you, see, I can give you four of four thing. One is the low, medium, high, very high. I can tell you high level it was like, it is not like expert level. It is good level. Good level tough was there. I could give rating out of five, four I can give. That much tough it was in rating
So
because
it is also
they will
like
test.
percentage you have to clear like to pass the
I
certification.
will tell you. I will tell you that at last I'll tell you. Because see, still you are into the learning phase. So when you're learning SAP now, what learning you're doing now, don't take your mind to the job. Don't take your mind to the certification, everything. Keep learning and keep practicing everything, whatever I tell. Okay. This you make a perfect whatever things I'm telling you now. You should be confident that if anything comes from SAP, see for example, you bring me any error, any kind of ticket you bring me, I will take a time. I'll take time of 1 day, 2 day. But at the end, I'll solve you that error. I will solve you that error. Ready? Like that confident to bring. Understood? Right? Like that
Yeah,
confident you should.
I can see that because we are facing the daily real-time scenarios in my business. Also, that we have to solve the ticket, but that is not that time we have to given, but like almost 1 day is enough, like that.
That confidence is required, man. That confidence is very
Yeah.
important. Because see, I myself, I will take 1 or 2 days time. I know that I'll solve that. I never seen that error. I'm working since 10 years in SAP, and I get some kind of error where those error I have never seen in my life. First time I'm seeing them. In SAP I'm working 10 years, but I'm seeing them first time. But to those errors also I'll solve. I know that what to do, what not to do, how to solve that. That confidence you need to bring in yourself, then only can easily make up to the SAP. But it takes time. It takes years. It takes years.
Thanks. Thanks, sir.
Yeah. So practice it. Until that, don't run your this thing mind to that certification job, and don't put in everything in your back of your mind. Now just keep whatever things I'm training. Just learn that as of now. Okay. Is it more than enough? Later I will tell you what to do.
Sure. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Then fine, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I will take the next session. And another one thing I want to ask. I think the Holi is on 8th, right? For in your place. So you guys are able to attend the class, right? On that day.
Yeah.
Yes. No. Available, right? On 8th. 8th is available. No. Ashish,
I
you are
am.
available on 8th.
I cannot say for any other person.
Okay, let us see. Fine, then no problem. I'll ask tomorrow everyone again in a group if who people are attending or no. If they are attending,
Sure.
we'll take. Others will keep on giving. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye, Ashish. Thank you, Hafsa and Salma. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.